everyone, welcome to nikhiskilltech YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to write a simple C program to perform basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus. Let us dive into the content. In this tutorial, we will write a C program that takes two numbers and an operator as an input and then performs the selected operations. The program will handle the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, module operations. So let us start with the code. First of all, we will include the standard input-output library, that is #include stdio.h, and we will define our main function and declare a variable we will need inside a int mean, and we will open curly brace, that is the program body. We will declare integer of a number 1, number 2, float value result, that is 0.0, and character ch to store the operator choice. We will then prompt the user to enter two numbers by using printf statement. Enter first number, that number is num1, it will be scanned with a %d, and printf enter the second number, that number is num2, that will be scanned with a %d again. After that, we will ask the user to choose any operations by using a printf statement to choose operations to perform, and the symbolic representation of arithmetic operations will be there inside that, and the choice will be scanned using %c, that is character type data type. Now let us write the switch case block to handle the operation using switch statement and ch choice inside the switch statement. We will open a curly brace. The first case will be addition case using plus symbol. Result will be calculated by adding two numbers, that is num1 and num2 will be added to get the result, and we will add a break for this case. And the second case is a subtraction case where number 1 minus number 2 will generate the result. We will break obviously. Case 3 is for multiplication, that is num1 is multiplied with num2 to get a result, and case 4 is division where we will have a if condition over here. We should not provide any number that is equal to 0 over here. To get a result, we will divide the float of number 1 and float of number 2 over here. If it's not executed, then the output window should prompt for error message by saying division by 0. The next case will be modulus. Again, we will use the same condition. Inside the if condition, we are giving a condition, that is any number we are giving inside the number 2 variable should not be equal to 0. The result is equal to number 1 modulus number 2, else the error statement should be prompted as division by 0. If none of these cases got executed, then the default statement should be invalid operation. We will exit the operation by giving a return 0 value. We will close the curly braces. We also need to ensure that the program exits if there is a division by 0 error or an invalid operation. Finally, we will print the result by using printf statement, that is result, which will include integers, floating points, characters, also the symbols. So we are giving all of this num1, num2 character and result, and we will end the program by giving return value, that is return 0. We will close the curly brace. Now let us compile and run our program to see it in action. We will test it with a different operation to ensure everything works correctly. Now I am entering the first number as 12, entering the second number as 15. I am going to choose the operation as addition for the first time. And here we go, our result value is 12 plus 15 is equal to 27, which also includes decimal values over here. That's why we have mentioned all the variables, integer, floating points and character types, data types over here. Let us try with another operation, that is subtraction. I'll give a first number as 24 and second number as 30. I'll perform a basic operation as a subtraction. Now the result value is 24 minus 30 is equal to minus 6. It's also showing the negative value over here. The same way you can operate with any other operations, say as modulus, divisions, multiplications, which we have mentioned over there in a program. And that's how you can perform a basic arithmetic operations using a C program. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more programming tutorials. Thank you for watching my videos. Take care. Bye-bye.